this question comes up in your interview, like you will be given an array and you have to do reverse of it, how you will solve this question very efficiently so that your interviewer will be happy and you will be selected. So we will be solving this question using recursion. I will be using JavaScript, but the similar approach you can use in any other programming language. If you understand the logic, you can solve it in any language. So see, we will have our pointer at left, we will have our pointer at right. The rightmost pointer will be starting from the ending position like here, and the left pointer will start from the starting index. Okay, so what we will be handling the case in recursion, whenever we are going to write, we have to first of all think about the base case. So what will be the base case? Whenever right and left pointer that meet, when they will meet, whenever you have odd number of elements, right and left pointer will meet at this position while reversing the array. And whenever you have even length like this, then they will cross each other, like left and right pointer will cross each other at this point. So we can write a condition: whenever left pointer and right pointer crossing each other, then we have to exit the recursion, or we have to stop the recursion. So let me write the code with explanation. This is the function that is reverse array and which is taking this array. Okay. And what we have to do, we have to reverse this array and return it. Okay. This function will be taking three arguments. That will be, first is the array. The next one is the left pointer, that is 0. The right pointer, that is whatever the length of the array is, minus 1, because array start from 0 indexes. Okay. We have to start from last to first. Will traverse right, and left will traverse from starting to ending. Okay. And as we discussed, the recursion breakout condition or base case will be whenever our left and right, which we are getting here, left, right, those parameters which we are getting, if they cross each other or equals to, if left is greater than equals to right, means left is trying to cross right, or both of them stand at equal position, like in this case. Okay, so at that time what we'll do, we'll simply return our array, because at that time our array reversing is already done. So how we'll be doing it, see here. So each and every time we will be in the function, we will be checking this condition. If that condition is valid, like left and right are in separate position, we'll be reversing the indexes values like this: array of left, comma array of right equals to array of right, comma array of left. And here this also will be in the square brackets. Doing this one, what you have to do, just a small thing you have to do, you have to call this function again, but this time you have to increment the left and decrement the right. Means what I want to say, you have to return the recursive call this function, but this time you have to do, okay, the first one is the array, the next is left plus 1, and then right minus 1. Okay, so that at last you will get your answer. So if I just run node index.js, you can see our array is reversed. Okay, and how this return works here, if you want to know, see, let me tell you what we are doing. We are swapping the indexes, and after that again we need one more swap in inner array. So I'm calling this function with increment operators. So after swapping maybe 1 and 4, it will go to 2 and 3 and do the swap operation again. So when that will like complete, like after you do left plus 1 and right minus 1, then left will go here and right will come here. At that time it will return the answer. So it will come to that upper recursion, and upper recursion also will return it. Then again it will come to the first recursion where you called it, and that will be returned, and it is consoling here, like which we are printing. Okay, so if you understood our explanation, then you can come to our channel and please subscribe this, because here you will get a lot of lead code related videos, and the questions which I am uploading are asked in a top MNCs and big startups. Okay, so you can go through it. You can check our complete recursion playlist, which I will be adding all those videos, and also I have different playlist of strings and arrays also. You can go and check it out. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.